YouTube. Welcome to yet another new video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the ice cream's biggest fan from Mattel's Tall Tales, Monster Truck Mater, sorry. Let's get right into it, I guess. There's an ice cream cone on top. You can see that it's sort of designed so it's melting into the hood, into the roof, so obviously it wouldn't be an actual ice cream cone, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. The flags for the ice creamer, just ice cream cone, it's ice creamer and some coloured dots. One's just a bit more stretched out than the other. The blue, red and violet dots on the top, all over. The ice creamer flag on the hood. Blue eyes and quite a shocked expression. I believe it's expression's actually taken right out of the shorts. That's quite good, and if that is, if I'm correct there. Headlights, grille, silver tyres, black rims. No, sorry, silver rims or black tyres. The back, that's the base. As you compare him to Tormentor's biggest fan, he's actually the same character, but we're just obviously just in support of different wrestlers. MTM or whatever it was called, I can't remember exactly because it's been years and years since I've watched the show. It's been years since I've watched most of the Cars media actually. Besides, I think the first Cars movie and Pixar popcorn I've watched recently, and I think I watched Cars 2 as well, but besides that I haven't watched much Cars or Planes media at all. Something I've had no time, no necessity to do, really. But I do want to marathon eventually, before, I do want to have a marathon with Cars and Planes stuff before, on the road premieres, so that would be quite nice. Let me know if you prefer the Tormentor's biggest fan or Ice Cream's biggest fan. I personally prefer Ice Cream's biggest fan, but both are nice. But yeah, so you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, yada yada yada, and I will see you all in the very next video.